Hey everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we're going to be doing an M1 Finance portfolio update. My portfolio is currently up over 14%, and this is my newest portfolio. This is a dividend growth portfolio. I'm constantly receiving dividends from it, and I like where this is my new probably favorite portfolio, at least how it's constructed right now, and I wish it was funded more because 14% on more money would have been really nice, but it is what it is, and here we go. So the portfolio, like I said, is consisted all of dividend growth stocks. Some of the biggest holdings are McDonald's and Johnson & Johnson. These are two great dividend growth stocks, and they still at least have a lot of room and potential to grow, and I really like these companies. I also have Apple and United Technologies. These are technology stocks that are performing very well. Apple is currently up 22% for me, and even right now, Apple's not at that high of a price, so Apple's got a lot more room to go up, and the dividend is less than 2% right now. The dividend has huge room to grow the dividend. So Apple, good company. UTX. Then we have Procter & Gamble, Kimberly-Clark, and PepsiCo. This is some more safer stocks, not too much risk. PepsiCo, simple products, consumer staples. I really love these companies. They're tried and true, and everyone needs a lot of the stuff that these companies provide. Next we have Starbucks, Cedar Fair, and 3M. Currently Starbucks is up very well, 45% for me. Starbucks' price is going through the roof, and it's performing excellent. I definitely want some more shares of Starbucks. We have Cedar Fair and 3M. These are currently down for me a little bit. These are probably a couple of my worst performing stocks. As a lot of you know, 3M has had some issues with their last earnings and has taken quite a nosedive. And Cedar Fair also isn't performing that well. We have General Mills, which is up 23%, close to all-time highs, along with Altria, which is down nearly 8% as the Sin stocks aren't performing too well. Then we have Colgate-Palmolive, Chevron, and Realty Income. These stocks are all up, and excellent companies. We have a consumer staples, oil, and real estate company. The portfolio is very diverse, and we have energy, all types of different sectors, and that's very important to have in your portfolio so you can stay protected in any type of economic conditions and changes. Moving on, we have Royal Dutch Shell. This has a very high yield, a nice oil company, up 6%. Coca-Cola, up 21%. This stock is also near all-time highs. We have Duke Energy, another energy company. They got a pretty nice, I think, 4% yield. Pfizer, this stock is currently up 4%, and Pfizer has been around forever, a pharmaceuticals company. They got a growing dividend, and they have been around for many years. We got Home Depot. This is also a performer right here. Home Depot is always typically close to all-time highs, just keep growing and growing. So Home Depot's got a lot of places to grow or at least stay stable, and I really like that. We have Caterpillar. Caterpillar was actually not performing too well with the Chinese tariffs, but Caterpillar is back up 10%. We got Philip Morris. This is another Sin stock, up 5%. Campbell's Soup. Campbell's just a regular household name. Great stock to own, up 22%. Air Products and Chemicals, this stock is up 40%. Great performer. We got Walmart. Everyone knows Walmart, up 31%. Hasbro, up 44%. This is the toy company. They were at one point my best performing stock. Too bad it's only 2% of my portfolio. Next we have UVV. This is Universal Corporation, up 21%. Leggett & Platt, down 1%. Clorox, up 7%. BTI, this is another Sin stock. British American Tobacco, down 1%. IBM, up 10%. Southern Company, up 21%. Unilever, this is another household name. They make soaps and shampoo, all types of stuff, up 18%. We have Norfolk. This is another great dividend growth stock, up 23%. We have SPDR. This is an ETF that follows the S&P 500, up 11%. Hawaiian Electric, another electric company, up 23%. Bank of Hawaii, up 11%. BP, down 5%. And finally, we have Bank of Montreal, which is a Canadian bank stock, which I like a little bit more than a lot of the American bank stocks. But we have them up 6%. So the portfolio, again, is up around 14%, performing very well. All these dividends are growing each and every quarter, and they're coming in very regularly, and it's growing. So definitely want to keep adding money to this portfolio. I have some money that I have to just waiting to buy. I've been buying little pieces here and there, but we're close to all-time highs, and I don't want to throw too much money in the market right now. So I got a little $15 buy order for tomorrow, and hopefully this portfolio keeps going up and performing well. Hope you guys like the video.